Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel, and today in this video it's a new vlog. Today I'm just going to be vlogging my last weekend here at home before I head off to college. So sad. Excuse the mess, like my room is a complete disaster right now. Also, as you can tell, I got box braids done. So yeah, it is about, what time is it right now? I don't even know. It is 11:50 right now. On Wednesday, I was also vlogging and I got my hair done, and I also started like cleaning my room and packing up a lot of clothes to take with me. So I'll insert those clips right now. So throwback to Wednesday. All right, good morning guys. What's up? Excuse how bad I look right now. Like literally my eyebrows need to get done. So I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm getting box braids. I'm supposed to be there at 10:30. It's 10:27 right now, so, and I still don't have the hair to get my braids done. So I just ran into the hair store, and the type of hair that I get when I get my hair braided, I use the expression hair. I just got it in 1B, which is like the natural color. Now I have to go to the ATM at 7-Eleven to get cash, and I'm running so late. It's 10:37 and I'm supposed to be there like at 10:30. All right, so I'm editing right now, and apparently I lost the footage of everything that happened after I got my braids done, and I don't know what happened to it, but pretty much I got home and then I took a nap, and then I started packing up my clothes and cleaning my room for moving and everything. So enjoy this montage of me packing up my clothes and all that stuff. Yeah. It is 1:28 right now, and I'm really tired and a little bit stressed out because I don't know, I got a lot done, but like my room is like a mess right now. Got a lot of the stuff that I'm taking with me. I like moved a lot of it out of my room and into the living room. This bag is probably gonna have shoes in it. I'm probably gonna end up putting other shoes in this bag. There's an empty box of Pop-Tarts, amazing. And then this suitcase is full for the most part. And then that's my softbox light that I just took down. That's my prom dress that I'm probably gonna end up selling. And then under there is clothes that I'm wearing right now that like I'm not taking with me. So yeah, I think I wanna go to bed. Oh my god, I cannot wait until these braids loosen up. Like I literally feel bald like underneath, like oh my god. I need to go to bed, so good night guys. I will see you tomorrow. Alright, so I didn't vlog yesterday on Thursday because literally all I did was go to work and I wasn't productive at all. So yeah, I didn't vlog on Thursday. Let's go get this cleaning done in my mom's car. Oh my god, I am so late. I completely forgot to say thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. Like, thank you guys so much for all the support, all the love, like watching my videos. It's crazy. Like, I can't believe it. I don't know like what to say. I'm just so blessed and thankful and happy, and it just motivates me even more to just put out good videos and good vlogs. So let's go ahead and go to the dealership so we can clean out this nasty car. Guys, so I just finished vacuuming out the car. I should have showed you guys before versus after, but like before, like it looked so disgusting. Like it looked terribly bad. Apparently that took me like 15 minutes to do. It really didn't feel like I was vacuuming that long. to Fruitable and I got the detox smoothie. It's pretty good. It just has like kale, pineapple, banana. It's just a green smoothie. It's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be because I think of the kale. You can like definitely taste the kale. It's good, and it's also really hot right now, so I needed something to cool me down. So now I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A and get something to eat there because I am home now. It is 2:37 and I stopped at Chick-fil-A. I got some fries, but I ate them on the way home because your girl was hungry. And then I got a original Chick-fil-A sandwich with the pickles on it, because if you don't get the pickles, then you're weird. I was vegetarian over the summer. Like, I was vegetarian from July 1st all the way up until today. Which is July 16th. I don't know, I just wanted to like try something different and be vegetarian for like the summer, and it wasn't that bad. But I mean, I'm ready for some chicken back in my life, okay? So yeah, so I'm about to go inside, eat my Chick-fil-A, probably start editing this vlog, and when my dad comes home, he wants to like pack the car and see if all of my college stuff will fit. So we'll see how that goes. But for right now, I'm gonna go eat my Chick-fil-A, okay? Hey guys, what's up? It is currently 10:20 at night, and I don't know, it's been a while since I updated the vlog, but I really didn't do much. After I got back home, I just like laid down, I took a nap, then I woke up and cleaned my room up some more. It's starting to look better. And yeah, like there's like this corner of my room, and I like cleaned it up on the floor and stuff like that. And then I FaceTimed my friend Allie, because she moved in today at Towson, so I was just FaceTiming her and talking to her. But yeah, so now it's like 10 o'clock and I went to Panera Bread, and literally they like closed at 10 o'clock and I left to go there at like 9:45, so we made it. But I just got their strawberry poppy seed salad with chicken on it, and they like ran out of romaine lettuce, so I got the spring mix lettuce. And then I did like the pick two, and then I got broccoli cheddar soup, which is so good. The receipt is like on the top of it. But yeah, and then I got the other half broccoli cheddar soup. And yeah, I got my mom a bread bowl with chicken noodle soup, so she like gave me the top of her bread bowl. So yeah, I'm eating that right now. So I'm probably gonna just watch some YouTube videos, start editing this vlog because I haven't started editing it, and I'm probably gonna vlog tomorrow. Oh, I also didn't end up packing my car today to like see if everything would fit because it started raining, so like me and my dad were gonna do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm probably gonna start editing the vlog right now and then go to sleep, and yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
You always have me on standby when you know I need love. I'm missing when we was us. Miss when I wasn't famous, that's when we could be us. Kiss right in the street, fuck if anybody sees.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, August 18th, and it is currently 12:25, and your girl just woke up. Well, like I woke up a little bit ago, and I was on FaceTime with Allie. But yeah, so I'm about to take a shower and get ready for the day because I have a lot to do today. Just wanted to show you guys all of these products that I just won from this giveaway, and the giveaway was from Magic Melanin 2018 on Instagram, and that is run by Shanoa, and she is Miss New Jersey, United States. So yeah, I'll leave her Instagram and all that stuff down below. You guys should definitely go check her out. She's all about, you know, empowering the youth and all that great stuff, and you know, all of us black girls out here gotta support each other. So I pretty much won this bag of like all of her favorite products. She has like a blog, and I'll have her blog linked down below as well. But I won the Dark Angels face and body cleanser, which I'm so happy. I've never tried this before, but like my face has been breaking out a little bit. Also got the tea tree water toner, which I freaking love this stuff. I've actually used it before. And then I also won the honey lip scrub, which is super cute. I'm gonna definitely try that out. Gotta have the lips looking good. And the last thing that I won is, I think it's like some soap. I don't know what it's called. This like little bar of soap. Oh, it smells really good. So I just want to say thank you so much to Magic Melanin and Shanoa. I'm so happy that I won the giveaway. And yeah, so now I'm going to go wash my face with like all of these new products that I just got. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Oh guys, look at my brother. Look at Michael. Oh shoot, wait, that's my head. Look at Michael.
Hey.
He about to go to a wedding. Show off the fit real quick. Okay, quick pop out a little something, light, little something. Okay, let me see what you got. Oh, hit them angles. Okay, bro. All right. Where's the fit from?
It's Dior. Everything Dior.
Dior, okay. Well, I just dropped off Michael at his friend's house because he's about to go to like a wedding or something like that. So yeah, that's what's going on. So it's like 2 o'clock right now and I have the package in the back seat. I don't know if y'all can see it. So yeah, that is the giveaway. That is my back to school giveaway stuff back there. So I'm about to go to the post office and send that out so she can get her prize and everything. And then I'm gonna get some Pennington bagel, which is just like this really good bagel place that I used to go to a lot in high school. And it's probably gonna be the last time that I get it because, you know, I'm gonna be in college. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, bye. Alright, so I went to get some bagels from P Bagel and they closed at 2 o'clock and it was like 2:45, so I got pizza instead. So I got me some Brooklyn pizza from this place that's like right near my school, so, or my old school that I graduated from, because you know, we out here growing or whatever. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my pizza and then my dad, he wants to pack the car to see if everything's gonna fit. So yeah, I need to eat and then do that. So Daddy, say hi. Hey guys, this is my dad. So we just spent the last like hour trying to pack the car and this is what we have so far. So this is how it looks. So we have to take a second car. We have to take my dad's car because everything is not gonna fit. Right, Dad?
Correct.
So hey guys, what's up? It is like 10:23 at night right now and I'm on FaceTime with Allie.
Hey yo.
So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just went to Chipotle because it was buy one get one free, so y'all know I had to do it to him. And yeah, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you guys have not done so already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Allie. Oh, you're not even there. Oh, there she is. Peace.
For 24, I think you from a pretty little body dancing like